Vision: Saint Michael College of Caraga envisions to be a university by 2035, uphold spiritual formation and excellence in teaching, service, and research. Mission: SMCC shall provide spiritual formation and learning culture that will ensure students with an excellent and rewarding learning experiences that transforms lives, abound spirituality, develop skills, and prepare future leaders. SMCC shall engage in dynamic and innovative interdisciplinary research to advance and achieve institutional initiatives. SMCC shall commit to serve the diverse and local community by fostering innovations through service learning that enhances reciprocal community partnership for spiritual and social development. Goal: upholds culture of excellence in the areas of spiritual formation, instruction, research, and extension, thus produce graduates that are globally competent, spiritually embodied, and socially responsible.